Guys, let's dive again on how to earn free crypto on Binance in 2025 with no deposit required. Let's enter into Binance. There is this option which I didn't talk about it last time on my last video, which is called red carpet giveaways. Let's open the red carpet. So you will come here and tap the red carpet giveaway. Let's wait for the opening. And you can see actually I have a reward to claim. You can see when you come here, you will tap to claim. You see, let's just say, yeah, congratulations, you have got 0.2 W. I have already claimed the reward, and that is it. I have already claimed without doing anything. So there is you can also, there is this, you can set campaign. This means you can give, like, the red carpets, you reward to people. And when you reward someone, you'll get compensated by Binance. That's the power of gifting other people. You can set to 3 friends now, and you can see set 0.001 and get up to 100. Let's just let's just said let me said something. Let me said to this person, and let me said 0. I just said 0.01. So let me suggest send it. Let's say no, yeah, and no, let me just reward both of them. That's not much. Said reward, and yeah, just fine. Okay, yeah, payment successful. Just as simple as that. And I have received my rewards. Then let me show you a trick. You can come and register into Discord, something called Discord. I know you know about Discord. That's where we crypto traders always chat. And then you can see this is the Binance Discord. You can see here in Binance Discord, and let me show you. Okay, yeah, it's this. You can see there is global chat. Let me show you. Here in global chat, you see we chat everything. We are crypto traders, just laughing, just happiness, man. So let me show you. You can see rewards. Here's the rewards. So every day there is some quiz or maybe some task to do so that you can get rewarded, and you can only get them via Discord. That's why I'm telling you, it's very important for you to to register on Binance Discord. You can see every country, like here, every country is represented. You can see there is so many rewards that have ever happened. Then this is the red carpet giveaway. You can just come here. You can see these codes. You can just copy paste these codes, and then when you copy, let's for example copy paste this one, and then when you copy paste this code, you come back here. You come back here into red carpet. Let me show you. Okay, yeah. When you come here, so you see when you come, let me start afresh. You come, you tap here, Then you come here, red carpet. Yeah, you come here, receive. You can remember the code that you copied there at Discord. You come and paste it here. You see, you come and paste it here and claim. I have reached the maximum number of claims, so that I can't claim anything. So that's the way. You just go to Discord. Let me repeat the process. You come, you register to Binance Discord. You come, you choose one code. These codes here, you can see this one here. There is many codes. These are Binance giveaways. Binance red carpets. You come to Binance app. Let me start afresh. You come. You see this is the main homepage of Binance app. You come. You tap this icon here on your right corner. Yeah. You come. You come here to red carpet. You receive. Then you copy paste the code here, or you just write the code using the means that you have used to yeah. You copy here, then you claim. Yeah, done. And also, so that you can maybe you can also come and create your own gift Discord by that Binance Discord. So you come and you'll have claimed your rewards. Let me show you another trick. You just come here, there is $1 game. The best thing with this $1 game, imagine using 0. I mean, let me let it open. You can see using 0.01 only, 0.01 US dollars. You can be able to earn 1 BNB, and 1 BNB equals to 700 US dollars. What you require to come, just come. I have already entered into the draw, so you just come. You will just come. Let me show you how you will just come. You just come and tap this $1 game. Then when you tap that $1 game, you come here. It will direct you here. It will ask you to join. I have already joined. You just type join, and $0.01 will be deducted from your account. Then yeah, you just have entered into the draw. Then you can come, so that to gain more tickets, you can just come and share it, maybe copying it. Let me copy the link into the description, so that you can follow it. But and then the next giveaway, you can use your link and give others, so that you can enter into draw of earning 700 US dollar. That's 1 BNB. I know, guys, I have given you some tricks, and hope you'll enjoy, hope you will learn. And I also, for those who are asking me to drop the Discord, the Binance the invite for Discord, I will do it in the comment section. Yeah.